Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Code with Tomi. This is another tutorial video on the Python tutorial series for beginners on my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Python interpreter. A Python interpreter is a basic environment, is a Python environment in which we can run different Python codes without having to install any IDE or any complex code editor like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code. We can just run some basic Python codes to see the outputs and stuff. Now to open or to use a Python interpreter, we are going to use terminal. If you're on a Mac, you use the terminal on the Mac. If you're on a Windows, you use your command prompt. Now this is my terminal open right here. I'm on a Mac. If you're on a Windows, just use your command prompt. To enter into the Python interpreter, just type Python 3. And then we're in the Python shell now. Now we can run any code here, like print. I can run print hello world. It gives us hello world. Now one more disclaimer: if you're on a Windows, that's the command prompt. If you type this command Python 3 and then it gives you an error, that means when you were installing Python, you didn't add Python to path. When anytime you're installing Python on Windows, add Python to path. So to just solve that, just go to Google and search how to add Python to path on Windows. Then you'll see the solution there. But on Mac, you don't need to do any of that. It's automatically added to path for you, and there's nothing like path on Mac. Everything is good. Now we can just write any Python program here. Say print hello world. We can also define a variable. We can say number 1, and we can say that number should be 45. And we can say number 2, and we can say that should also be 45. Now we can tell it to print number 1 plus number 2. It gives us 90, the exact answer. You can do basically everything you do on PyCharm, on Visual Studio Code, on Sublime Text, or any Python, any code editor. That's what the Python interpreter is all about. You can define a function. Let's say this function is greetings, and it takes the name. Sorry. Okay, it said invalid syntax. That's because we didn't have this. You see, it also catches error and shows you the error. Now it automatically put this 3 dots here since it knows that we want to define a function. You can easily indent and just tell it to print I, then the name, and this. Now we can do something like greetings, and we can give the name as Tomi. Now you see what it says, I Tomi. Okay, we didn't leave space here, but that's just to show you what the Python interpreter is all about. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for this video. If you love this, please smash the like button. If you have any question, please drop it as a comment below. I'll be sure to answer all questions, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.